There's the next one coming up. What is this, Peyton? 86? 85? 2018 Sierra. Chevy Silverado. And look how solid this old girl is. We're going to strip it apart, take it off the chassis, and repaint everything. Peyton's got him a fresh 350 to go in it. We're going to clean paint the frame. We're getting her ready to take apart, put her in the body shop. Check out how straight that is though. For an 84. Notice the lack of rust. There's none. That's dirt. That's not even rust. How many miles on this thing, Peyton? Peyton thinks it's 240,000, but man, I don't know. It's actually clean. That's super clean, isn't it, Jake? What about that super clean?
It's pretty clean.
Look at me. Yeah. Oh, never mind. Let's not look. That's impressive. 15 minutes later. The radio don't go loud no more. I don't know what's wrong with it.
Jeff, it's on. It's on.
Bling. Get that bag in. Can you see the inner rockers? Can you see the inner rockers not to hit them a lick? Go shoot under the hood, yeah. Now she's out of gas. We got 4 minutes of pressure washing though. Okay, we got to pull the cab off, but we want to get some of this clean before we started pulling it off. So it's harder to get back and forth. Don't want to get the shop terrible wet either. And we got to get some purple power, some crud cutter or something, because that's just like, what is that, 40 years of gunk just sitting in there. We got to get all that clean. But then, like a caterpillar goes into its cocoon, it'll emerge a beautiful butterfly. There's the cab. Man, look how solid this girl is. He's about as perfect as they come. We're finna clean this floor up, and we're gonna shoot our Raptor liner on it. Well, imagine if that was your view. You've gone too steep. Sir, them old green Scotch Sprites. Them. Oh, look. Ooh. Still wet, but we got the Raptor liner on the floorboard. And if the audio's popping, I apologize. We ain't figured this out yet. But floorboard being clean, sanded. She is Raptor line, and we got the rockers on. This is about as solid as a floorboard zoom as you're ever gonna see. So it ought to look good for years to come now.
Oh, shoot.
You going on YouTube now?